coronavirus.
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 Virus.
I must level with you, level with the British public. More families, many more families, are going to lose loved ones before their time.
Now we have a bit of breaking news to bring you, which is in the last few moments, NHS England has confirmed that a sixth person has died from the coronavirus.
Now, a 21-year-old woman has died after testing positive for COVID-19.
The National Health Service in England has announced 10 further deaths of patients who tested positive.
Saying, sadly, a 13-year-old boy who tested positive for COVID-19 has passed away.
It's gone up to 104 now.
So Prince Charles has tested positive for coronavirus.
And on the advice of the Chief Medical Officer, I've taken a test that has come out positive.
It has been a big development this afternoon. We've crossed now 1,000 deaths in the UK from COVID-19.
Items like toilet roll, hand sanitizer and pasta are now increasingly hard to come by as coronavirus-linked panic buying continues.
I'm a critical care nurse. I've just finished 48 hours of work. I just wanted to get some stuff in for the next 48 hours. There's no fruit, there's no vegetables. I just don't know how I'm supposed to stay healthy. And those people, when people are just stripping the shelves of basic foods, you just need to stop it.
We are hearing that the UK death toll now stands at 3,605.
Use the equipment they clinically need in line with the guidelines, no more and no less.
To Matt Hancock, I would very politely invite him to one of my night shifts over the next few nights. He's more than welcome to join me on the wards as I'm scouring for PPE sometimes. I would ask him to please bring his own PPE because I don't think we would have enough to share for him.
The reports of widespread PPE shortages are stirring fears, with growing numbers of doctors and nurses infected and even dying.
19 people have died from the NHS family. For them it is it's a heartbreaking story.
The number of deaths now 5,373.
We've had 14 people who've lost their lives tragically in public transport in London.
I'm 63 years of age. I'm proud to drive a London bus. I'm proud to do my job. I'm proud to get frontline services to their workplace to help people. That's why I'm still driving. But I'm frightened. I'm frightened that I'm going to die.
Number of deaths in hospital to 8,958.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a police message. If you're not exercising or doing any essential shopping, please go home.
Apologising unreservedly for travelling away from my home while restrictions were in place. As well as this weekend, it's important to be clear that I also was there last weekend with my husband. I did not follow the advice I'm giving to others. I'm truly sorry for that. The number of people who died in the UK after being diagnosed with coronavirus has passed 10,000. The Health Secretary, Matt Hancock, said this is a sombre day.
Aircraft like these have been used in the past to evacuate wounded troops in war zones. Now, they're teaming up with the NHS as flying ambulances on the coronavirus front line.
According to the WHO, there are currently more than 60 teams of scientists working on a vaccine.
The news that the Prime Minister, Boris Johnson, has now been discharged from hospital.
We are now making progress in this incredible national battle against coronavirus. A fight we never picked against an enemy we still don't entirely understand.
What started as an idea on social media captured the hearts of royals and celebrities, all united in their message of thanks.
I was enormously touched to have been asked to open the Nightingale Hospital as part of a mass mobilisation to withstand the coronavirus crisis.
In early March, the number of deaths was doubling roughly every 2 days. It then started to slow, and as you can see there now, it's doubling roughly every 4 days.
We will succeed, and that success will belong to every one of us. We should take comfort that while we may have more still to endure, better days will return. We will be with our friends again. We will be with our families again. We will meet again.